Alright, so this is a silver bullet. I'm not going to take the trade, but we'll walk through it. This would be at the market right now. You go short. And we would be looking for sell side liquidity. So aiming for sell side, that right there would be another entry. If you missed it, right there. If it were to return back in there, you could use that also as a late entry if it offers it. So the stop would be as such, but it's not doing so, so we're going to remove that order. So I'm going to do some gap here. That's a breakaway gap, and that's a breaker. So whenever we have that overlapping like that, it's not likely it's going to fill it. But in the event that it would run up there, you could use that as a means of getting in there. I like the 15,157.5. So that would be one standard deviation. That's my wife in the background letting me know she's upset that I'm making a video when I said I wasn't going to do one this morning. And here is another area here that we could justify as a measuring gap. So around that 15,157.5 from that high down. Let's take a look at the other indices here. Okay, across the board, weakness, that's good. Let's put the fib back on here so we hit our target. And that would be a nice little case study.